won't hear me creeping up on you.
Hell no. Yo, what's up, RJ? I might have to murder someone.
Yep, I bring my chick out to Ibiza just to grab a slice of pizza. Put my CD in her speaker, yeah, it's really nice to meet ya. Ain't no monster, ain't no creature, I'm online, but ain't no creeper. I'm on top, so I just meet ya out my mind. So let me teach ya just to beat the beat till we bag 'em up. I live in the secret world like Alex Mack, so you gon' have to drag it up. Wait until there's no one left like Agatha, Christy, but 10 later. In the end, girls all miss me. They build me up and fix me, throw me out like I'm a frisbee. But my whole team got that business and your whole team got me history. So please show me all that money, trying to deal it picky. There's too many people biting and I told them I hate hickeys. It's a mystery, who done it? You are history, done with. If you pitch me 1-100, then these other rappers done with. Cause there's something in my stomach, call it guts, like call it dumb shit. I keep all of these women in my room like they're punished, yeah. It's hard to say what my future holds exactly, but yeah, I gotta love my odds like a mathlete. Oh yeah, I gotta love my odds as the black sheep, the kid with no rap sheet, but all I do is rap shit. I'm first in class, a prodigy. What does that mean? My mom's so deep, I'm prodigy. Hitting me with sticks and stones don't bother me. I ignore the wannabes, cause honestly they're not what I would wanna be. So pardon me, please let me exit through the gift shop. My motivation is never waiting for shit to pop. Got some new friends, where they go when the hits stop. Time's kinda funny, let me trap it in my wristwatch. Watch what's next. Cable television, chicken pox and stress. Groupie love is kinda like obnoxious sex, cause I love myself and yeah, that's that. So we can wait until we go and make it majorly, celebrating with people who all be secretly hating me. My neighbors, they just wave at me, they're nice, they are my favorite peeps. They never tell me keep the noise down when my neighbor sleeps. Well, that's the hard labor, and I ain't into that. So fuck money, I'ma put this on the internet. Don't date Eris, 2 girlfriends, she's in my bed. Why isn't she with you? She isn't into that. Yeah, I'm bilingual, so this is just a hot record. This is not a single. Pop, pop, pop.